I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're going to be taste testing food. One of us is going to be blindfolded.
Have to
guess what it is.
And it's all Thrive food, so we're going to eat it dry. So we're not sure what it's going to be. Someone's going to prepare a platter for us. I'll be blindfolded first, so I will go ahead and blindfold while you guys prepare. Just don't make me barf, please.
All right, so we have some Thrive food here displayed, and Kathy's blindfolded, so she's not going to know what she's tasting, but she has to guess what that is. So let's get started.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay. Open your mouth.
Oh, that's number one. Do you like it?
I do. It's sweet and crunchy. It's a grape.
I think you're right.
Sweet. Where's the... Do I get like the
I just want to verify that that's it. That is what it is. Okay. Yeah, let's try this one. Number two.
Hold on a second.
Okay, she needs to drink every time. I don't know what it is, but she does.
Well, I just want to make sure I can get a good taste.
Oh, very good. Well done. Are you ready?
That's totally refreshed.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah, that's a beet. We don't have beets. I wish we had beets.
Me too, but we love beets, but we have no beets. Okay, so let's try. This is item number 3.
I know it's like a... Well, I want to say Granny Smith apple. Or an apple, maybe Fuji apple. But it didn't seem like there was a skin.
It's Granny Smith.
It's Granny, yay!
Yay, you got it! Oh yes, 2 points. All right,
Here's starting with the good stuff and ending with the bad.
So here's another one. Do you know what it is?
Is it pear?
No, it's not.
Apricots?
Yes! Oh, woo! Do you like apricots?
I do like apricots, but they're small pieces like the pear. So that's yummy.
Okay, here we go.
Can you come laughing?
Okay, this one is a little tubular. No. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, right.
Can I touch it?
You can touch it. Go ahead.
It feels like cardboard in my mouth. What is that? I don't like it. Okay, there's a flavor to it. Hold on, it's coming. It's refreshing in my mouth.
Okay, we'll wait.
It's asparagus.
Yeah, that's it.
That is so weird. And that's the biggest pieces of asparagus I've had with Thrive. Wow.
I've never
drink.
I have moisture in my eyes, and you have to create it in your mouth. Okay, here we go. So the next one, are you ready for it?
Mushroom.
Yeah.
Mushroom.
Did you say marshmallow?
Mushroom.
Oh, mushroom. Okay.
This isn't as bad as I thought it would be.
Do you want to clear your saliva? Take another drink.
Am I wearing
We're good to go.
This is not my favorite. Is it shredded beef?
Yes.
Oh. Do I have to eat it?
No, you guessed
I still
it.
have some pieces.
That's fine.
Wow, that's really dry.
Okay.
When it's refreshed. It actually has a good flavor, but that's not something I'd snack on dry. Oh, at first that was so weird. That's cheese.
Yes, that is cheese.
I like the cheese. Is it cheddar?
No.
It's not the cheddar?
No, it's not cheddar.
I don't know, but that was nice. Maybe I need some more to taste. Okay, maybe not.
Let's see. Let's see. See what I get. Oh! Okay, ready? Here. Let me just...
Is it Monterey Jack?
No.
It's not.
Okay.
Mozzarella.
No.
Okay.
It's Colby.
Okay.
I love the Colby
I like
cheese.
that. That's good flavor. I like that dry. Actually, that's nice sprinkled on salad.
You did actually really good, Kathy.
I'm surprised. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Can I take
know.
this out?
You could take it off. That was actually pretty good. Kathy did great, considering she didn't know what any of these were. And so if...
I wouldn't snack on that dry. Okay, now it's Annie's turn. So here is your first item.
That's a broccoli.
Are you sure?
It's supposed to help. So Mom said. I think it's more cauliflower.
Yep, that's what it is.
Okay.
Okay,
Spoon. Like a little floret. I like that, but I...
What is
That's lime.
Oh, that's so strong. So like a teaspoon
That's
of
not
that.
fair.
No, that's my
mean.
idea.
That's so mean.
It wasn't.
Who did that?
You got it right.
Oh, wow.
That could have made a whole cup full of limeade.
I don't think I can try any of these now. I
Another
can't
for
tell. I think it's killed my taste bud. That's butternut squash.
Nope. Yep.
Yeah, it is.
I can't stop laughing.
Tastes like dirt. I don't know what the heck that is. It tastes like dirt.
It's refried beans.
Oh, that is. Oh my! It does taste like that. Yeah. That's a pepper.
Yes, it is a pepper.
I think it's red, but it's kind of stuck in the teeth. I think it's stuck.
You
Okay.
got it right.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Wow, I think that's broccoli. Isn't it broccoli?
It is. It's a big one.
I like that. Okay.
Okay, ready for the next bite?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I know what this is. It's actually diced potatoes. Oh man. Oh my goodness.
It's powdery. That's definitely something you want to eat refreshed.
Yeah, for sure.
Ready for the next?
Yeah.
Okay, open your mouth.
That's fascinating.
Okay, ready? Open your mouth. I feel like I need a drink for you.
Yeah, I like refreshing it better. It's kale.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. You're done.
Awesome.
You did good. You guessed them all. With this, we wanted to be able to tell that you can eat Thrive dry, like we just did. It's much better refreshed.
Yes, it's much better refreshed. So, if you have any questions about this freeze-dried food, leave us a comment down below.
Remember to give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we post a new video.
So, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you later.